need to try this right now. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that I just picked up. We got this milk, these cough cookies. I got the 5 different flavors. Raspberry, I'm really excited to try this one. Hazelnut, salted caramel, Arctic white, regular chocolate. I've tried regular chocolate, it is fire. Peppermint, and I got a whole bunch of baby ones. Baby marshmallows. It's melting a bit, it's super hot. So I'm going to try the Biscoff cookie first. And this is the raspberry and chocolate cocoa mix one. Oh yeah, it is 8. So now we're going to try it.
Boy, look here, this is tender.
It's so good. Just realized I forgot to add sugar. Yeah, I just added some sugar. But that's how you know it's good if I didn't even add sugar and I'm saying it tastes good. Y'all, drinking 5 cups is a bit insane, but I'm debating what if I should just make all 5 mugs right now.
Chocolate 1, me 0.
I think this is a 9 out of 10. I would bathe in this. Let me explain the taste to you. Nice and warm. You taste the raspberry, it's like a hint. Certain points you taste it. You do taste a lot of the milk, but the raspberry mixed in makes it not taste like milk. With the added sugar, it makes the raspberry pop out more. Does it taste like straight on raspberry? No. The chocolate cocoa part is like an undertone, right? So it's like undertoning the raspberry, but like the raspberry is not a strong taste. That is fire. The Arctic white hot cocoa mix. I'm not keeping this one for the pure fact that I am full. Forgot the freaking sugar. They added the sugar, we're good now. Four out of 10. Do the hazelnut. Again, I'm giving this away. Hazelnut in. Small amounts of sugar because it's already good enough without the sugar. I'm keeping it.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow.
Guys, hot chocolate 1, me 0. 2 cups of hot chocolate because that hazelnut one was fire, and I ended up just giving the black cup to my mom. So I was gonna give the black cup to my sister, but then I was like, I don't like it, so hopefully she likes it because it's white chocolate. I can't. I feel like hot chocolate is coming out of my pores. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and my salted caramel hot cocoa here. Super excited to try it, and yes, it is the morning, so I decided I was going to try to finish this video out and not leave you guys hanging. This definitely tastes a whole lot better than the white chocolate, and it's so yummy to drink it on an empty stomach, because like when I was drinking the hot chocolates yesterday on a full stomach, once I reached my second hot chocolate, I was already feeling sick. Super delicious. I rated it 8.5. Cookie with salted caramel. Interesting taste to it. I also put a peppermint in here, but it's like kind of melting down. I gotta say, hazelnut is still on top. Hazelnut 6 stars, raspberry 5 stars, chocolate 4 stars, this 3 stars, and then the white chocolate 1 star. I do not like caramel like that, so if I'm telling y'all it's good, it is good. And for the chocolate, it tastes like a regular chocolate, like a classic hot chocolate. This, you taste the salted caramel a lot. The salted caramel is super strong, and the milk, like, you could barely taste it. With white chocolate, was just horrible on all ends. Even the texture was not that great. So we're not even going to talk about white chocolate. Hazelnut was fire. Hazelnut was soft, smooth, sweet. I'm going to continue drinking this with my breakfast. Okay guys, this is the end of Vlogmas Day 3. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you want to get notifications when I post videos. Please stay tuned because tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time, I will be posting Vlogmas Day 4. Comment down below what's your favorite go-to hot chocolate flavor. Bye!